Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Joro Yatra has resumed from Uttar Pradesh today after a 9-day break. As the Yatra entered Uttar Pradesh from Delhi, heavy traffic jams were reported on Ghaziabad roads today. Vehicular movement was completely stopped at the routes fixed for the Congress party's Yatra, causing heavy traffic jams on alternate routes as well. The Yatra resumed after a brief winter break and was set to enter Uttar Pradesh via the Loni border in Ghaziabad. Earlier, the Delhi and Ghaziabad traffic police issued advisories warning people about which roads to avoid so they can go around them. For security reasons, traffic routes were diverted at several locations, causing traffic jams. The entry of vehicles was closed in Loni. As per reports, heavy traffic is likely at several parts of the border region. The Yatra resumed from Kashmiri Gate in Delhi and commenced from Hanuman Mandir near the Red Fort. As per schedule, it will travel through Uttar Pradesh from January 3rd to 5th to reach Haryana on January 6th before leaving it on January 10th and entering Punjab on January 11th. The Yatra has covered more than 100 days and over 3,000 kilometers so far. It started from Kanyakumari on September 7th of last year, has covered parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra and Haryana. It will culminate in Jammu and Kashmir. The Congress has claimed that it is the longest march on foot by any Indian politician in the history of India. After the Yatra, which ends in Srinagar on January 26th, the Congress will launch the Haath Se Haath Joro campaign aimed at spreading the message of the Yatra. According to sources, the former Congress president has entrusted sister and AICC National General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra with the responsibility of leading the Haath Se Haath Joro campaign across the country with a special focus on women. Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal said, and I quote, "After the Bharat Joro Yatra, the Congress will launch a 2-month Haath Se Haath Joro campaign. As part of the initiative, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will lead foot marches and rallies with women members in every state capital to spread the message of the Bharat Joro Yatra." Sources further informed that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra would lead a wave of marches with women cadres in March, focusing on rising inflation and its impact on the public, especially the middle class. Other issues related to women will also be a top rallying point.